Hi guys, so now it is evening. I think it's like around 6:30ish. I know I look a hot mess. This is what I look like when I'm inside, but who cares? Anyways, I've decided to fix my mirror now. But since I said I was going to show you guys, I'll just show you. I'm using the command strips, and this is the mirror. I have the NISSEDAl 25 inches. Is it 20? No, NISSEDAl, the smaller one, the 45 by, I can't remember what the dimension is, 45 by 150, not the biggest one, not the one by the 60 dimension. Don't mind my look guys, I just want to quickly fix this mirror, forget about it. So I'm using the command strip. This is one that has that holds 72 kg weight. I checked on IKEA site. I think the weight of the mirror is something like 7.8, but I'm going to assume it's just 10 kg, so I'm using 3 of them. And this is a gamble guys, I'm not advising anyone to do it, I'm just saying it because I can't put a hole on my wall and I need the mirror to actually stand. So because when it stands it's more full length, like I can see my outfit fully, and it's a risk just leaning it against the wall. I don't know if you can see it behind, it's just leaning against the wall, and so I might as well just try it with the command strip and see how it goes. So yeah, I have an idea of what height I want it to be, so I'm going to just set that up and talk to you guys. Just explain to you guys what I've done. I have an idea of what height I want it to be. As I mentioned, I want it to be this height off the floor, because this is what I've been putting it on when I want to take pictures. So I want it this height off the floor, but this surface, if I'm going to use this, is not straight enough, see, so I won't get the balance size or whatever that is. So I'm going to use a carton instead, like a delivery carton, to just make sure that everything is perfect. It has like it's not slanted to one side than the other, so I'm going to use a carton instead. Yeah, so I'm going to substitute the box with this should be like the same height ish with that one. This is what I'm saying, it's the same height, but this is a more firm surface, so the mirror is able to stay straight, if you understand what I mean. I'm going to try taking a picture with it so that I'm sure that I really like the height that it is. I'm going to go ahead and fix the command strip to the mirror first. I'm going to put them at the back of the mirror, position it, then just hold it against the wall to get the perfect side. Another fear that I have, I don't know if you guys can see this. This is where I'm going to be sticking the command strip to. Sticking the strip to this trimmings of the mirror, and basically I'm just thinking the strip might be too thin for the size of the command. I tried checking for narrow ones, but they don't have narrow ones that hold 72 kgs. I think the narrow ones are kind of like in the 5.4 kg ones and the like. So I just went to this one, hopefully. I don't know, not hopefully, I'm just going to use it as it is, because this mirror in my room, actually this one that is against the door, was actually a command strip that is holding it, but the person was able to use some other add thing. I don't know what that is, but it is by command strip, so I figure command strip might just work for this one as well. I have 3 of them, and I have 3 packs, and each pack has 4 pairs. So the reason I'm going for 4, the reason I'm going for I'm using all 3 of them, that's 12 of them. I'm using all 12 of them because on the instruction on this label, it says each of them can hold 7.2 kg, and that's like, the mirror is 7.8, so it's a bit more than the maximum weight that it can hold. And it also says that, and it also mentions that the maximum dimension it can hold is 60 centimeter by 90 centimeter, and this mirror is 45 centimeter. Is it 40 or 45? 45 or 40 centimeter by 150, so that's above the maximum dimension. So I figure if I get 3 of it, I should be able to expand the capacity, the length dimension. By width is actually fine because the mirror is like 40 and since it can hold 60. So I'm going to apply 2 on the width, and along this side, is it 2? So I think I'm going to apply, I have 12 pairs, so I think 1, that's the pair gone, and I'm going to apply like I think 4 pairs along the side. I'll figure out how I want it to be, and basically this is what a pear looks like. So you're supposed to turn it around and clip it together. So this is what it looks like after clipping. So you have the double side. So I'm going to remove the tape from one of the side and fix it to the mirror, and the other side stays on until I'm ready to fix it to the wall. Then when I want to fix it to the wall, I'll remove everything and hold it up against the wall so it should fix. Just follow the instruction, guys. If you're going to do this, follow the instruction, and that's what I'm doing. I've never done this before. I've used command strips, but not for every item. And excuse my look, by the way. This is just like a random weekend, and I've decided to fix this, and I thought I might as well just record it, you know. I have a channel. And please, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. And I don't make videos like this, but this is just like one of those videos, like, well, who makes videos about command strips? Go ahead and fix it to the mirror. Oh, let this not be a failure. I don't want to take any chances. I'm just going to use a timer for the 30-second part. Now I'm thinking, I hope I'm not making a huge mistake with this thing, because I can feel it, like I can feel like it's not sticking properly, like it's something that's going to come off. I can easily pull it off with my hand, and that's not what I want. God, I'm so scared. I was what's that word? I was confident before, but now as I'm fixing it, it's not acting like I expect it to act. I don't know. This is just lifting. So this is what it now looks like. I ended up applying 5 of them along each length, and just 1 in the middle. So I have 1, that's 2, and 5 on this side, and 5. So after pressing it against the wall, the next part says to take the mirror off the wall. So you have the sticky part on the wall, and it's just the, what's it called, the velcro in between them. So I'm supposed to take it out off the wall and leave it for like an hour before fixing it the wall. So I attempted that, and what happened was most of the ones that were supposed to stick to the wall ended up coming off with the mirror as well. So I had just like, I think this part was properly stuck. None of this part stuck to the wall. They all came off with the mirror. So now I hope that doesn't affect the bonding strength of the command strip. God, I'm so tired. Oh guys, I've just attempted to take it off the wall, but I'm not able to, because I'm supposed to take it off and leave it for an hour. Like, that was the instruction. It says to take it off and leave it for an hour so that the bond can adhere to the wall properly, or something about the glue can form properly. I don't know, but I'm unable to take it off the wall, and I don't want to pull it too much so that it's now going to this, like the sticky part is going to come off the wall as well. I don't want to do that. So I think what I'm going to do is support it, put that carton back underneath it just to support the weight, and just let it be for a while. So as you can see, I've just put this carton underneath. See, it goes all the way in. I've just put it there to support the weight. I'm not able to. I tried taking it off, but it's not working. So I'm just going to leave it this way, and hopefully I don't hear a loud bang in the middle of the night, but we should be fine. Morning, if it's still standing, I pray, and probably update maybe every week or something to see if it is still standing. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, hauls, and those kind of ones. So if you like content related to all of what I've mentioned, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.